Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video of today, I will be showing you how to download and install Ubuntu. We will need the following requirements. We will need balena, etcher, Ubuntu, a 8 GB USB drive or more. So we're going to open our web browser. We're going to type in Ubuntu download. Log in into the official website and continue. So we're going to scroll down, click on this option, download Ubuntu 22.04. I click on it and it's going to start downloading. As you can see, my download has started. We are going to wait until our Ubuntu download is done. Here it is. The second and most important file we need is balena. We type balena etcher. This is the official site of balena. Click on it. You enter. Download etcher. Here are a couple of options. If you are using Linux based operating system, you choose it depending on the operating systems you are using. I'll click on x64. Now that our download is done, we're going to get in here, click on balena etcher to install it on our computer. I agree. We're going to wait until this process is done. Now it is done. You can see my balena etcher has been successfully installed. I'm going to click on it. Flash from file. I'm going to go to the destination where I downloaded my Ubuntu. Click on Ubuntu. My Ubuntu is in the downloads. So open. Select target. As I said at the beginning of the video, you will need at least an 8 GB key. If you have more, it's still good. Click on it. Here is where I want to install my Ubuntu. Select flash. I'll wait until that is done. Yes, and it will start flashing. This will take 10 to 15 minutes to flash the file. As this process is going on, I want to remind you people to please like, share, and most importantly subscribe to this channel. This will help me as an individual and as a group to grow. So we're going to wait for balena to do its work. As you can see, my flash is done. So our next step, we are going to shut down our PC and insert it into the target computer. You can see this is the computer I wish to install Ubuntu on it. I've already inserted my drive on mine. I'm going to open the computer. For Dell computers, the boot keys are F12. If you are using other Macs like Asus, is F8 plus escape. Mac is options. So I'm going to click here. As you can see, it ons. Then we're going to press F12 immediately. It has brought us to the BIOS. Here you see a couple of options. Here I will select USB storage device, which is our USB drive, and click on OK. Here I'm going to use this option, which is try or install Ubuntu. Enter. So when it is done, at this level you can see a couple of languages here. I'm an English speaking person, so I'm going to leave my language in English and click on install Ubuntu. As you can see it's installing. Here I am to choose my keyboard layout. I'll leave it as US and I click next. I'll click continue. Choose a password. I'm going to write my password. You enter the same password. Click enter. Continue. This is done. We're into the installation stage. As you can see, the system is currently installing. So you can just hold yourself for about 10 to 15 minutes until you wait until this is done. After this, you can see my installation has been done. So I'm going to restart my machine. I've clicked on restart. Now that it's done, they're going to ask us to remove our installation medium and press enter. So here is my flash. I'm going to eject it and I press enter. As you can see, the machine is rebooting. I tap in enter. As you can see, my Ubuntu is booting for the first time. At this level, we are to re-enter the password we put in the Ubuntu at the beginning. So I'm going to enter my password. So we have successfully installed Ubuntu. So I really want to thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and enjoy your new system.